super annoyed. Super annoyed. I thought I figured out the problem with my videos, with it going into landscape and all that. So I went in there and I looked and I see my videos were even smaller than I thought. So yeah, just me not double checking my work. But I'm pretty sure I got it figured out. Got it in landscape mode now, so it'll fill the freaking screen when we put it sideways. But so annoyed. I thought I had to figure it out. I was here like patting myself on the back, and I just happened to like look at a couple of my last videos, and it wasn't fixed. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I got it now. Anyways, yeah. Well, good morning. Here warming up the car. It's freezing out right now, about 12 degrees. Supposed to warm up to about 30. Tomorrow gonna be about 40. Thank God. Melt some of the snow away and do whatever we gotta do. I'm about to try to sneak in church for the first time in a long time, so let's see how that process is. I'm trying to get some caffeine in my system. I haven't had any tea. I haven't had anything. I'm trying to stop at the store, even though there's a Starbucks inside the church. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get me a cup of coffee before I even get there. So let's do it. Well, I made it to church. I got my coffee. It's like 9:03. The service is supposed to start at 9, so about to get out here into this cold. I see a bunch of last minute people pulling up to try to get in here and get me a good seat. All right, a second. Yeah, church was good. I'm here on my way probably to get me something to eat. Actually, I gotta stop by Wegmans, get some Omeprazole for my gas, for my heartburn / acid reflux. Haven't really had it in a few days, so it's starting to catch up. I'm starting to feel it a little bit. Yeah, first time at church in a while, in a few years since the pandemic started actually, so it was a nice, good experience. Going into Wegmans real quick, need a couple things, see what we're talking about. Somebody walking kind of close behind me. I'm about to record their ass. They get any closer. By the way, I did do an Instacart order. I just turned on the app just because I'm used to it, and I seen the quick and easy one, so I did it. Bamang. Alright, gang, so I gotta give me some Mcdonald with some donuts. You know how we do. Alright, got my items, headed back. About to go home. I gotta do my taxes, so I gotta dig out some information. I got my W-2, and I gotta dig out some other information. Bummer, but whatever. Let's do it. Yeah, it added up. Got a couple more things in there, but it's all good. Let's do it. Came home, did my taxes, pretty much done. Grateful for that. I hope you guys had a great Sunday. Peace.